Cameron, you gotta run with the ball. Run away from Loki. Run away from the dog. Run away. Cameron, run. Run. What are you doing, Loki? Run, Cameron, run. Run away, run away, run away. No, Cameron. Don't follow. One second. Oh, she wants the ball. Go get him, Loki. Go get him. Run, Cameron, run. Run. Run away, Cameron. Oh, there she goes.
Keep on running, Cam. Go get the ball.
Run, Cam, run.
Run, Cam, run. Go get him.
Go get him. Go get him.
Run. Run, Cam.
She's the great little puppy to little kids. Isn't she? Don't throw it at her.
No. Keep on running. Go run. Run. Don't throw it.
Okay, Cam, you can stop. Throw the ball for the puppy. Throw the ball.
Loki, go get it.
Loki. Well, that was it. Say bye.
And that was our cousin getting chased by the dog.